the next right to stay on Rumla Agassi Road.
Hello guys.
Continue on Rumla Agassi Road for 2 kilometers.
जय अगासी माता, जय भारत माता, जय हिंद, बोले सो निहाल, श्री सत श्री अकाल, श्री वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, श्री वाहेगुरु जी फतेह, सत्यमेव जयते। 100% कोई शक कभी नहीं। गो हेड, डू इट। Guys, looks like I have to open a Google map because I got a mess. I was I was driving like a googly so I need to turn on map, and it's very furious, and no doubt in that I have enough battery. And relax that I got a main road, main strong and with radium barricades, strong enough to hold even in this upcoming monsoon of New Year 2025. Let's see. I think it's gonna hold on strongly. Rumla Agassi Road. Jai Agassi Mata. Mata Agassi be with Indian Armed Forces and always been with the Indian Armed Forces. See, blaze. Wow. Ooh. Easy. Check out in my first lane video that we are passing with Kutta Meta Lagate. Easy man.
200 meters, turn right toward Kalyari Road. Turn right toward Kalyari, Rumla Road, then turn right onto Kalyari, Rumla Road.
Oh, last time I missed. I have taken lift from police chowki. That was my mistake.
Take the next right onto Kalyari, Rumla Road.
I have to take a right. That's the real geography. That's the way we got.
Continue on Kalyari, Rumla Road for 6 kilometers.
Jai Jalaram Cloth Store. We have crossed 1,25,676 kilometers with the mighty blessing of I have posted like writing himself, Guru of Archery and Armory, one of the 10th Guru Pita, Guru Sri Har Gobind Singh Ji, whose sword is like never gonna miss. yeah, I want to share that great story in this video. So I have taken more that Guru Har Gobind Singh Ji, as I know, he is one of the 10th Guru out of 10, one of Guru that specialist, and just like all 10 Gurus, never miss. They just complete, they ask to on front hold that we don't want a war and so many killings, so we can do archery fight with frontline men's main men, in Hindi Senapati or Subedar or whatever means the head of main over there in front line, company commander, and they just make archery fight with the frontline company commander, and it's always been in history out of since last around, I know that more than 500, around 600 years that they will never miss. And even later on the golden reign of our great some people didn't got that that great warrior Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Yeah, great, because some got that he got later on one eye, he had one eye. No, he had one eye and illness in second eye. It's a pilia, but though the miraculous and blessed and great thing of Maharaja Ranjit Singh Ji's arrow never miss. That's the reason they reign to greater Punjab, from India's Punjab to over Pakistan Punjab and even Afghanistan. They reign because their warriors and their warriors and their fighters and their soldiers are just knights. योद्धा थे वो, पक्के योद्धा जिनका निशाना कभी नहीं चुकता था. तो महाराजा रंजीत सिंह जो is Kohinoor, the most expensive diamond on the earth right now in UK, but we don't even need that. Probably it will come in India because right now whole world and UK gonna need India and Indian support, and the reason why youngest country and superpower and mighty from always, and so maybe it come, but for your all information that we have our Kohinoor as Sir Ratan Tata, Tata Group's main man, whose blessing still rupee is not more than costly 100 rupees, and BSNL in Tata Group and all great things in business, and very big heart, huge heart. Tata Salt, very reasonable, cheap, because of its requirement as per, and other things also. I got this AV blessing, Tiago loan pass without guarantee. I got a whole 1.5 lakh subsidy, government subsidy, because of the all efforts and all he Ratan Tata sir did for his country India, and he from my new city Navsari. So just for all your information that Punjab India proved that Punjab, and Punjab proved that India. श्री वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, श्री वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. चिड़िया नाचते बाद खड़ा हुआ, समझने की चीज़ है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट नाउ दिस ईवी बाय द ब्लेसिंग ऑफ महाराजा रंजीत सिंह जी and Guru Har Gobind Singh Ji, who established army of Sikhs and warriors and Punjabi army and men's army. I can say that men's army, because they just saved India even today in 2025 with BrahMos and everything. Means just this 1,25,000 I did only to give a tribute to our Indian Armed Forces and my country, Sher Shah, and beyond all politics, just with Indian Armed Forces and their families. That's what means we have to, because Pahalgam was very disturbing. and direct attack on religion basis really means horrible, very horrible, because you know that I am also tourist and the reason why it's so Maharaja Ranjit Singh was also very kind and generous and great archer. So I came to, because I have studied that, and I will later on update that about Guru Har Gobind Singh Ji on Q, and I will also later on update about the first Guru from Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji to up to our greatest, the last
In 400 meters, turn left onto Kalyari Road.
himself, सच्चे बादशाह, बादशाहों के बादशाह, चिड़िया नाल दे बाग लड़ावा, ताहे गोविंद सिंह नाम कहाँ हुआ, और उनके 4 साहिबजादे आज भी है हमारे दिलों में. बंदा सिंह बहादुर never caged by Mughals. Yeah, it was TRP. Movie was great, animated, but it was a total TRP game. Otherwise saying, see Banda Singh Bahadur, he is placed by Bhim himself. Aswathama, how any few cheap Mughal gonna you got my point. So I'm gonna take this video up to 13 minutes, just like a tera. Yours, Satnam Sri Vaheguru. John Rambo 2009, live for nothing, die for something. When the matter of our country's people who are in need actually.
Continue for 8 kilometers.
Chikli is 12 kilometers just. My dear friend Hardik, which meaning heartfelt in English. Home, Chikli. Rumla Road, Chikli, 12 kilometers. So guys, I'm gonna end this on 13. Tera means 1 out. Never a unlucky number, because my dear friend Darshan from Valsad, who is working in L&T Powai Mumbai, who's lucky number 13. He is flat on 13 on Hira Chindani. For your kind information, his father, late father, who passed in COVID-19 2020, whose lucky number was also 13. Favorite hotel Sahyadari, Mumbai. After Vapi, on the road NH, Mumbai to Surat on the way as per. Take care guys. Tera.